nada.
No, hey, just relax. All I want's a burger and a beer if you got one.
¿Cómo va a pagar para esto?
How am I gonna pay? Huxley, it is better to give.
Oh, ¿es una Rolex? Una cerveza, por favor.
You want a slice?
Gracias, señor. Buenos días, señor.
Oh, no. Thank you.
I think I'm gonna be sick.
Oh, God.
Oh.
This is fantastic. You guys gotta try
Oh,
this.
my.
Just don't ask where the meat comes from.
Huxley, what's that supposed to mean?
Do you see any cows around here, Detective?
¿Qué es esta carne?
Esta carne es de rata.
Rat. This is a rat burger. Not bad. Matter of fact, it's the best burger I've had in years.
Gracias, señor.
Prego. See you later.
They don't seem very hostile, John Spartan.
No, they don't. Now that's a thing of beauty. Huxley, do you know what this is?
A 1970 Oldsmobile 442 with a 455 cubic inch engine, radial tires, and bucket seats.
I'm impressed.
I studied.
So did I. Hand over the glow rod. Your friends, too. Come on, move.
Ow! Ow!
You got balls, cop, coming down here after the show you put on.
We're looking for a murder-death killer. Can you help or just bully us with your primitive weapons? Well, maybe they're not so primitive.
So you think you're taking me in, huh? Guess what? Not happening. You tell Cocteau he can kiss my ass. Yeah, that's right. You tell Cocteau it's gonna take an army of assholes to get rid of me, because I don't give a shit. I got nothing to lose.
I don't want to rain on your parade, pal. But I don't know who the hell you are, let alone want to take you anywhere. So stay here, be well, and Cocteau's an asshole!
Hey, man. Let's take him and dump him up top. They're only down here to spy on us.
Wait a minute. You're the guy outside Pizza Hut.
Yeah. What do you want?
I guess you weren't part of the Cocteau plan.
Greed? Deception? Abuse of power? That's no plan.
That's why everybody's down here?
You got that right. See, according to Cocteau's plan, I'm the enemy. Because I like to think. I like to read. I'm into freedom of speech and freedom of choice. I'm the kind of guy who likes to sit in a greasy spoon and wonder, gee, should I have the T-bone steak or the jumbo rack of barbecue ribs with the side order of gravy fries? I want high cholesterol. I want to eat bacon and butter and buckets of cheese, okay? I want to smoke a Cuban cigar the size of Cincinnati in the non-smoking section. I want to run through the streets naked with green jello all over my body reading Playboy magazine. Why? Because I suddenly might feel the need to, okay, pal? I've seen the future. You know what it is? It's a 47-year-old virgin sitting around in his beige pajamas drinking a banana broccoli shake singing I'm an Oscar Mayer wiener. You live up top, you live Cocteau's way. What he wants, when he wants, how he wants. Your other choice, come down here, maybe starve to death.